Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, or should I say Buongiorno, with this little bad boy. It's a Piaggio Vespa. This one's a GTV300 Sei Giorni edition. So it's a limited edition. Really sorry if you're Italian and I mispronounced that. But the bike itself, a stunner. 2008 kilometers it's done. It's a 2017 67 plate. It's got a backrest on there, that center console rack as well, also bar end mirrors, gives it that retro feel. Single sided front end, and obviously being a scooter, got the engine on the other side at the back. Let me give it a quick turn on so we can see everything lit up. Look at that. Wow. Let me get my hand out of the way and I'm going to give it a start up. I'm going to sit on this because of the power. Oh. Beast. ABS as well. Finished off in mint. It's a gorgeous looking bike. Anyway, get myself untangled there. I'm going to leave you to it. Cracking little seat, retro looks, modern technology, that's all you need. Anyway guys, in order to get it bought, pop down to Jordanbikes, give us a call. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching, cheers.